We want to use this question to explain something about drawing a ray diagram. In this video, I'm going to talk on what? On lens. And after that, I will talk on mirror. That is, first of all, this is it. This is how the diagram will look. Your lens symbol, that is the lens symbol. So I'm using a freehand sketch. So, but when you are doing your own, you use ruler to avoid error. To have a straight line. Your F will be here, your 2L, that is your object. Your F, let's say F prime, 2F prime. Your convection, center of convection will be here. Now, the thing is, if you are asked to use a ray diagram, you are going to use a convex lens. This is a convex lens. Convex lens is what? A diverging lens. If you are asked to use a convex lens to represent using a ray diagram an object placed at 2F, they can ask you to represent an object placed beyond 2F or at 2F or between 2F or at F or between F and C. This is it. So when you do it, they want you to tell them what type of image is formed. Is it real? Is it vector? Is the image magnified or diminished? Is it enlarged or small? Where is the image formed? So I'm going to show you the trick. The object is what? At 2F. You can pick another one for your example. That's what the object is here at 2F. Now the thing is, get this trick. There will be two rays. The first ray will be straight. I'm using a freehand. Then the second ray from here. What I want you to know is that the ray that is passing here must pass through the center of convection. And the ray that is passing here, when it bends, when this ray bends, it must pass through the first F here. So that means if I am not, some of you, if you are doing it, you do your diagram like this. You are wrong. You can see that this thing did not pass here. And some of you, when you are doing, you do your thing like this. And then you're going to get a wrong result. You can see this is where you can see. You can see this is where your F is. This is where the center of convection is. You can see that this one did not pass through the center of convection, and this one did not pass through it. So any ray diagram you are drawing, the one that is going to bend must pass through this F. That is the first image, and the one from here must pass through the center of convection. Any image is when you do that you are going to get where the image is going to be formed. So let's do it now. That when you are doing it, you must be very careful. You can see. You can see it as fast. Sorry. Use ruler when you are doing it because of error, in case your hand will bend. You can see. Then this one, you look for a way. If you are using ruler, you put your ruler straight. It must pass through the center. Since I'm not using ruler, that's why it's having some it has passed. So when it is passed through the center, you have to discover that the image is here. You know, the image will always be inverted like this. That's it. So when they ask you to tell them the property of this image, number one is what? The image. You don't need to crown. The image is one. Is formed. The image is formed at 2F prime. The image is formed here. 2. The image is what? Real. 3. The image is what? Inverted. That is upside down. 4. What can you say about it? The image has the same distance as the object. That's from here to here, the object. From here to here, they have the same distance. The image is the same distance as the object. So if you are doing it, make sure this one that is going and is at bend should pass through your F, and this one should pass through your C straight. When it passes, know how it's going to meet at the place. Whenever it meets, is where the image is from. So let me assume I take